Stop!
What? What?
There's a space closer to the entrance.
Oh. Gosh darn it, it's gonna take ages to find a spot now.
Oh, don't worry, honey. These things happen.
I know. I'm crying because I'm gonna have to walk now.
There! An old lady going back to her car!
Okay, it's a good idea to follow someone, but we need to be more intelligent with our profiling. Take those three. The shopping bags tell us they're going back to their cars, which will leave us with a choice of 3 spaces. The question is, which one will leave their space first? Look at the pepperoni guy's bags. The contour suggests he's bought toys and juice boxes, so he's a happy family man, right? Wrong. Look closely at his face. See his constrained smile? That's the face of a man who's been broken by too much shopping. His wife has sent him to the car so she can continue in peace. Now he's having a nervous breakdown because he's gonna have to wait there for hours. Now take guy number 2. Notice he doesn't have a wedding ring. He's on his own. He doesn't have to wait for anyone. He'll get out of here quickly. But observe the tan mark on his wrist where his watch should be. Was it stolen? Possibly. But judging from the rest of his clothes, the watch wouldn't be worth stealing. More likely he just lost it or forgot to put it on this morning. Either way, this means he's sloppy, inattentive, forgetful.
Okay, what's your point?
He can't remember where he parked. This leaves us with our 3rd subject, who left while I was busy showing off giving some other guy time to take his space.
Don't worry, it was pretty impressive.